Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Mkay was born on November 22, 1994 in Melbourne, Australia. She is currently 27 years old. Her astrological sign is Sagittarius. Mkay stands 5 feet 9 inches tall or 175 centimeters, body type, voluptuous. She has a beautiful blonde hair and blue eyes. Color, marital status, single, nationality, Australian. Mkay grew up in Australia. She is currently living in Melbourne, Australia. The voluptuous model is very passionate about fashion and body positivity. She has made waves in the plus-size modeling industry and inspired a lot of curvy women to embrace and accept the bodies they are in. Mkay has done a bridal photo shoot and regularly model clothes for different brands on Instagram. She has modeled for some fashion brands like Mimi Kinis, Mika Muse Official, Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova Curve, The Iconic Australia, You and All Boutique, Rose Gal Official, Change and several others. She is currently represented by Bella Management. In Instagram, the Australian beauty has attracted more than 637,000 followers to her official Instagram account, thanks to her voluptuous body and beautiful looks.